Welcome to BrilliantIT. Today's topic is how to repair RAM. Okay, you can. I have a two RAM at the moment. This one is DDR2 RAM. This is the old RAM, and this is DDR3 RAM. You can remove. You can solve your DDR4, DDR5, or other RAM. You can solve like using my method. Okay, so how can you solve your problem? First of all, you need uh, germ cleaner. Okay, you use W40. You can find it eBay, Amazon, and your hardware shop. Okay, how can it work? You can use another one. You can use any types of germ cleaner. Mainly, what's happened in here? You see these parts here. There is a lots of rust and other things or germ is day by day. If you use 1 year 2 year, so fungus is over there, so you have to remove this. So you can use like these kinds of, you don't need this one, you can need another one as well. Okay, so the another one is there is a rubber as well, and this is the used brush. I think everyone has this kinds of brush. Okay, so how can you use it? How can you remove the germ or moisturizer? So first of all, this one like this. You can use hardly. Okay, you can remove like this area. So these parts as well. You can use this method 2 3 times. After that, use the brush. Okay, so you need some using this one. Then you can do this method 2 3 times. I hope it's work. It's I think 50% of or your RAM is okay of this method, but 50% is not work. Hope you can understand how can solve your problem. Thank you very much. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.